You know I had to do it, right? You know I had to come back and I had to do it. I gotta do it. I better bring a friend, she can suck me on like you nasty girl. And I know you get it, just swallow no shit. Okay, alright, This the beat. Hey, made it, can't you see? I'ma still spit on here, cause I'm really gonna act like a clown in here. Look, I got the hat, got the whole swagger. Look, I'm sitting lonely on this damn pattern. Looking like I'm playing a big board game. Now I'm just scouting for my opponent's man. I'ma let you know what it gotta be. You don't even know they think you from the streets. But when they see me in there, I'm gonna look different. Skin so brown and my hair just different. Let you know how I dress when you see me though. I don't even know what fuck the most. I'ma let you know like this, I'm gonna do my thing. If you gon' hate, I'ma let you hate. Anyway, it's really so simple. I wrote it all down when I was in the 9th grade at Berkeley High now. Let me tell you, life's a big deal. I don't even know, but I'm still chill. I'ma let you know I'm gonna do it anyway. I don't even know why they still gon' hate. It's still in my mind, who's the big hater? I can't believe they still doing me. And I'ma let you know, I'ma just say it. I really love you, can you just take it? Don't even know, you ain't even met you. Probably just time to really get to know you. Mind games, I can't even sit up here and act silly, let them know how they really feel. I'ma tell them I am that real. She listening, gotta go. I don't even know, but I'm thinking like, oh, I really gotta do my thing, and if I walk out this door, I might be late. And I'ma let them know I'm gonna come back, but when I go out to sea, I'm gonna do me. If you don't know, Berkeley, I don't even know why they Berkeley. I'ma let you know, tell your boy what you want. I'ma just let it seem like it ain't nothing though. Still clowning, P-Town, and then they found me in the zoo. Crawling on your backs. I don't even know, but I'm sitting with some rats. And I'ma let you know, I'ma just do my thing. And when they thought I was playing, I just laughed at them, and I'ma let them know like this. They ain't see my shit. I'ma let you know I was in that 4th thing, man. I'ma let you know it was me from there. And niggas didn't even know how clear I was in there. Feeling like on top of the world. Like I only can trust my nigga A and Ashley. And we gon' keep it like that. Don't forget I got respect for my mama, and that's that. I'ma let you know, still gon' ride. I'm a Perkins, man, I just gon' die like that. I don't even know, can't be solo. Cause I got my nigga A in the YOLO. Call it what you want, this should be right here. And I'ma let them know it is that clear. And when they say who did this, I'm quick to yell. April Cook put the beat on, it's just that well. I'ma let you know, he don't even know. I can just really sit here and flow. Been doing. I gotta have my beat low, y'all hear me? I'm bringing back. Sitting real deep in a Cadillac. Riding through the streets, earthquake sounds. And we keep riding with them lonely sounds. Cause we just living life, trying to make our money, trying to get our money, trying to eat. They ain't understanding what they want down. Call it what you want. I'ma still do it to the end, that's it though. What you want, why you pick me? They thought you could hold it down cause you from Berkeley. It wasn't even like that, it was in the streets. But when I got to college,
when I woke up this morning, I'm across the track, no turning back. Tried to cut the wings off my back, but I'm still flying high in this red sky.
Used to be a 40-ounce nigga, standing on the corner, no money for the vibe.